ideate might mean that it has something to do with idea. Any more guesses? Anyone who agrees with Preeti?
I.
Okay, Sunny also agrees with Preeti. Rehan, what do you think ideate means?
Ideate.
Huh? Ideate.
Ideate.
What do you think this means?
Ideate. What is the word?
Ideate. Okay, just like what Preeti said, okay? Ideate, it has something to do with ideas. So we're going to write down our ideas. We're going to collect all our ideas together and we will jot them down together. And that is what means, what ideate basically means. Draft. The next word is draft. What is the meaning of draft? Any idea? Any guesses? Draft basically means writing. What is the meaning of draft?
Writing.
So we're going to write our ideas and that's what we're going to do in today's writing class. All right. We will write our own ideas. Nobody's going to tell you your ideas. These are your own ideas that will come from your own mind. So that's all we're going to do for today's class. Tomorrow's class, we'll do something else, but we will have a class every day. All right. Moving on. Didi had asked you to draw this in your notebook. Have you drawn this?
Yes, Didi, I draw it.
Sunny, have you drawn this?
Yes.
Okay, Rehan, have you drawn this? I know Harsh has drawn this. Uzra, have you drawn this? Uzra, come off mute.
Didi.
Yes, Uzra, unmute yourself.
Didi, my net is not working.
Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, Uzra? All right. I'm giving you 30 seconds for people who have not drawn. Rehan, if you have not drawn, quickly draw this picture in your notebook. Just make one box and write opinion. Make another box, write reason. Make another box, write example. Make another box, write opinion. Again, okay? First and last box are the same box. What are we going to write? What have you written in writing class till now? What has Priyanka Didi made you write? What do we write in writing class? What are we going to write today? Make a guess. Rehan, what are we writing today?
Huh?
What will we write? हम क्या लिखेंगे? What are we going to write here today?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sunny, what are we writing today? What happened, Baba Sunny? What happened? Tell me. Sunny, what happened?
Nothing, Didi.
All right. Preeti, what are we? Any idea what are we going to write today?
No, Didi.
We're going to write essay. Okay, we have done this before also. We're going to write essay. We are going to write our opinion in an essay, but Didi will give you steps how to write that. Okay. So, and how will we write? This is how we are going to write. We're first going to write our opinion. Can I please ask everyone to put their video on, except Harsh and Uzra? I know your internet is problematic. Rehan and yeah, Rehan, can you put your camera on?
My camera is not clean.
Okay, no problem. All right. So first we're going to write our opinion. What is the meaning of opinion? What is the meaning of opinion? Preeti, help us. What is the meaning of opinion?
Tell.
Years and
Tell what? What do we tell?
they have to say.
What we are thinking.
But
Okay, amazing. Good job, Preeti. Whatever we are thinking, whatever I feel is an opinion. Okay, Harsh is raising his hand. Harsh, you want to share?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us.
To think.
To think? Okay, what do I think? Yeah, tell us.
Opinion means to give suggest to anyone.
Okay, opinion means to suggest somebody what I think is right. Okay, For example, Freya Didi, my opinion, okay, my opinion is red is the best color. Okay, that's my opinion. Does that mean it's a correct opinion or everybody should have this opinion? No, right? Everybody can say, Sunny can say blue is the best color. Preeti can say black is the best color. So everybody can have different opinions and that's fine. Okay? My opinion is red is the best color. My opinion is maths is the best subject. But does that mean maths is the best subject? No. Sunny likes English and history more than maths. Preeti likes English more. Everybody can have different opinion, but that's okay. We will have to accept everyone's opinion, but we will also write our opinions today. Okay. Moving on.
Didi, I couldn't like black color.
What color is your favorite, Preeti?
Pink.
Okay. So your opinion is pink is in your opinion, pink is the best color, right? All right. For that opinion,
Teacher,
whatever.
can I write the opinion? Teacher,
No, not now. I will tell you what to write when, okay? Now we are not writing. I will tell you what to write when, okay? For the opinion that I write, I will also give a reason, okay? For the opinion I write, I will also give a reason. For example, if I said red is the best color, I will also have to give reason why red is the best color. Because red is the color of love. Red is the best color because red is the color of love. And that's my reason. What is the meaning of reason? What is the meaning of reason? Sunny. Unmute yourself, Baba. What is the meaning of reason?
to give an example.
No, that will come next. Reason means karan. Okay? This, because this. Whatever our opinion is, uske piche jo karan hai, that is called reason. Alright? So, my opinion was red is the best color and my reason is because red is the color of love. Now, example. Harsh, yes, you're raising your hand. You want to say something?
Reason means वजह.
Wajah. Uske piche wajah kya hai? Correct. Example. Now, example is something that I will have to think from my own life. If I have read something, if I have experienced something, if I have seen something, if I have observed something, अगर मैंने life में कुछ देखा है, पढ़ा है, या सुना है, those are things that will be examples. For example, red is the best color because red is the color of love. For example, roses are red. And I like roses. All right. In my life, I know that roses are red. I like the red color and red color is the color of love. So that is my example. Okay. You can give any other example from your own life also. And next, after example, we are again going to write our opinion. And this time we will write our opinion again. So, in my opinion, red is the best color. All right. All right. So we are writing opinion 2 times, but in the last time we are writing because we have given reason and example in step number 2 and step number 3. Any confusion till now? Anybody wants to ask any question?
Yeah.
It was super simple. We've done this also. All right.
Oh, Didi.
All right. Thank you. We're moving on. So today we are going to write, today, not just today, for the entire week, we are going to write on this topic. Preeti, can you read the topic for us? This is the topic on top.
Should the student be allowed to give marks to teacher?
Correct. Our topic is, should students be allowed to give marks to teachers? Okay, that's our topic. So Didi is now going to tell you how Didi will write. Okay, for the next 5 minutes, Didi is telling you how Didi is going to write. Then for the
Teacher,
next...
I can't see.
You can't see, Baba. I can't help. Wait, I will send this same picture to you on WhatsApp. Okay. 1 minute. One minute, Harsha. Eagles. Photos. Huh. I've sent the picture on WhatsApp, Harsh. Okay. All right. Should students be allowed to give marks to teachers? What is the meaning of this sentence? Sunny, what is the meaning of this sentence if you had to explain this to someone?
Students, teachers को marks दे सकते हैं नहीं?
Okay. So your opinion can be a yes or a no. Okay. Some of you can say yes. Some of you can say no. And that is your opinion. Is any opinion right or wrong?
No.
Every opinion is right. Okay. Somebody can say red is favorite color. Somebody can say black is favorite color. Does not mean that anyone is wrong. All the opinions will be correct. Now for the next 5 minutes. Oh my God. What is... Harsh is facing some real problem. All right. For the next 5 minutes, Didi is going to show you how Didi will write. And then Didi will give you 5 minutes to write on your own. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on your own. But first 5 minutes, see what Didi is doing. Okay, you don't have to write exactly the same sentences as Didi. You will write your own opinion, your own ideas. All right, we are using our own ideas, not Didi's ideas. All right. So the topic is, should students be allowed to give marks to teacher? Now Didi is thinking, what do I really think? Yes, students should be allowed to give marks to teachers, yes or no? So based on my opinion, I think yes. Nobody's writing anything. Okay, I'll tell you when to write. Yes, I think students should be allowed to give marks to teachers. This is my opinion. You can say a no. Okay, but I think yes, students should be allowed to give marks to teachers. All right. Okay, now I will think of 2 reasons and I will also think of 2 examples. I'm going to think of 2 wajah and I'm going to think of 2 examples. So my first reason is, I think there are so many students in my classroom. There are 40 students and I'm the only teacher. How will I teach correctly to all the students? How will I teach properly? I will make mistakes. So I think my students should be allowed to give me feedback. My students should be allowed to give me marks based on how I teach them, because there are so many of them and I can make mistakes because I am a human. So I am writing there. The reason, there are 40 students and 1 teacher. Teacher can make mistakes too. Teacher can make mistakes too. And to correct those mistakes, students will give marks. Okay, this is my opinion. I think so. I'm also going to think of an example. Okay, there are 40 students and 1 teacher. Teacher can make mistakes too. Now I'm going to think of example कि मेरे life में मैंने teacher को ये where have I seen this doing in my life? So I've seen this, that Freya Didi right now is only teacher and there are so many of us, and Freya Didi obviously makes mistakes. Freya Didi sometimes gives wrong questions in worksheet. Freya Didi sometimes forgets to send work. So Freya Didi makes mistakes because there are so many students, and that's why, and she's a human and there are so many and she's the only one. So that is the example I'm going to write, that I have seen Freya Didi make mistakes in online teaching. Okay, I've seen Freya Didi make mistakes in online teaching. That is my example, something that I have seen. Now I'm going to think of a second reason. My first reason was, since there are so many students and only one teacher, students should be allowed to give marks. Now I'm thinking of a second reason.
It kick out me of Zoom call
Why, Baba?
because of internet.
Okay, you try to see whatever. I'm also recording. I will send a video of this session to you later. Okay, you try to attend whatever you can see, and then I will. You stay here. I will call you in between. Okay, when others will be writing, I will call you up. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to think of a second reason. Pehla reason tha, there are so many students and only one teacher. Now I'm going to think of second reason ki why should students be allowed. I think everyone is equal in a classroom. Okay, I think everyone is equal in a classroom, be it teachers or students. So nobody is bigger or smaller. I think everyone is equal in a classroom. कोई बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता है. Nobody is bigger or smaller. That's why students, if teachers are giving marks to students, students can also give marks to teachers. All right, this is my second reason. What example can I write? What example can I write? I can write something that I have heard. I have heard that in USA, United States of America, students give feedback to teachers. I have heard that in USA, students give feedback to teachers. This is what I've heard. And that's an example. Something that I've seen, something that I've heard, or something that I have read is an example. So that's my example. And opinion may, again, at the end, I am going to write the same thing, but I will now conclude, ending statement. That is why my opinion is that students should be allowed to give marks to teachers because we are all equal. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Okay. Firstly, I wrote my opinion. I thought yes, yeah, no. I wrote yes. Yes, I think students should be allowed. Then I thought of one reason. Then I thought of an example. Then I thought of a reason again. Then I thought of example number 2. Then I wrote my opinion once again with the reason and example that I have given. Is it clear? Any confusion, any doubt, please ask me. No? Is it clear to you? Whatever Didi did right now, is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Because now you're going to do the same thing on your own. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing on your own. For the next 5 minutes, you're not writing what I've written. I will clear the screen right now. Yes, Preeti.
We have to put 2 reasons and 2 examples.
Yes, that is what I'm going to say right now. You're going to do the same thing. I will. Okay, Harsh, I will call. Okay, Baba. No, don't leave, Harsh. I will call you right now. Okay, I will call you on phone right now. Don't worry. I am going to. You're now going to write the same thing. Okay, you're going to make 4 boxes. If you have already made these boxes, amazing. You're going to write your opinion. You're going to write 2 reasons. You're going to write 2 examples, and then you are going to write your opinion again. Okay. I have removed what I wrote because I want you to write your own opinion. You can also write, no, I don't think students should be allowed to give marks to teachers, and that's fine. But you have to write your reason and your example. All right. What are we doing next, Sunny?
Now we are giving examples and opinions.
We're writing our opinion, yes or no. Then we are giving how many reasons, Rehan? Rehan, how many reasons are we giving?
2.
Rehan,
Hello.
how many reasons are we writing?
2.
And then how many examples are we writing? And then again at the end, what are we writing? Okay, go ahead. Your topic is should students be allowed to give marks to teachers? You have 5 minutes. Harsh, I'm calling you right now.
अरे रुको, हम टीचर का फोन कर रही थी। कट कर दिया पापा। नहीं अब रहा है। पापा तो कट कर दिया।
We are taking 2 more minutes, okay? After 2 minutes, we are coming and sharing what we have written.